Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I've recorded a video and I'm coming to you with some new content. Today I'm going to be showing you how I transform my entryway from this cluttered mess to a more functional but aesthetically pleasing area. That box in the back is the table I purchased for this space, and I'll be sure to let you know where I got everything down in the description box below. So let's get into this video. First thing is to remove everything out of the space and the closet and clean so that you have a blank clean slate to work with. This round wall mirror I purchased from Target. It's the Hearth in Hand with Magnolia brand in a light wood grain finish, and it's 30 inches in diameter. I think they only come in 2 sizes and I got the biggest one. This rug I got from Big Lots. It's an urban bungalow rug and it's not as big as I would have liked it to be, but it works well in the space. It has some grays and yellowish brown tones to it, which ties perfectly into the mirror. If you're looking to make your entryway aesthetically pleasing, I would highly recommend getting a small rug and mirror of your choosing and finish off with some decor pieces. So this console table I purchased from Walmart, and it's actually the second table I brought for this space. I had got another one that was more of a rustic farmhouse type, but when I got it, I thought it was going to be way too low for this space. It was more of a bench, and I didn't think it would look nice with the mirror being so high up and a bench being way down. So I returned it and got this console table off of Walmart. I absolutely love it in this space. I was a little worried that it wouldn't fit because it is 39 inches wide. I could have definitely went with something between 30 to 35 inches, but I absolutely love it. And the height is perfect because it allows me to still add some decor pieces on top without interfering with the mirror. It is a metal black frame and the wood finish is a light brown and it is super lightweight. I got it for about $50 on sale, which was pretty much half of the original price. I got 2 pillows from Big Lots, a fluffy one and one that says blessed. The storage baskets I got from Target, which is going to serve as our everyday shoe storage, and I didn't show the faux plant and the Libra candle, but I also got those from Target. And now it's time for the finished look.